Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first, enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Now find and select accounts. Passwords and accounts right here, and click on add account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and then click on Google. So at first, provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address. And tap on next. Now enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Tap on next. And here just mark if this device belongs to you or to your kid. Tap on I agree if you do agree with all the terms and conditions. Tap on accept again, and that's it. As you can see, account has been added. If you wish to remove it, mark on it again and click on remove account. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.